Okay, we are here again. This is GIONEE F100. If you have issue with your F100, F200, F300, F500, F600, this is the simple solution. If it is not touching, follow this procedure gradually and see the next option. So let me show you. The phone is not touching. Let me show you. Let me couple and show you. It can never work. I'm disconnecting that. Let me say one leg on the major line. This is GIONEE F200, F200, F100. All of them are one, but not F103. F103 is different from this particular one. So F103 has its own option too. I will show you people in my next video. I will show you people how to do F103. But for now, this one is F100, F200, F300, F500 to F600. So let's go. As you can see, the GIONEE is on, but let's see the next option. See what's gonna happen. So you can see the GIONEE is on. The GIONEE has started. As you can see, can you just see something? It's not working. Just watch. Nothing is working. It's not working. Let me show you. Let me show you. As you can see, nothing is working. Nothing is working. Honestly, nothing is working. So for now, as you can see, nothing is working. I've shown you about the GIONEE, but mark this thing before you feel I changed the touch. Mark this particular point. Check this line. You can see that this GIONEE has a crack here. So mark it when I'm testing it back again, for you not to believe I changed the touch. Maybe the touch is disturbing. I want to show you the simple step for you to sort out your GIONEE F100, F200, F300, F500, F600. As long as it's F, forget it, but not F103. Not F103. As you can see, it's not touching. It's not touching. Nothing is working. Nothing is working. It's not working at all. Okay, let's go. Let's jump over to it. Here's the GIONEE. Let's jump over. First and foremost, I need to shut down my GIONEE phone. It's not working. Nothing is working. Alright, let's go. Let me show you. Let me show you what you need to do. In this GIONEE phone, we have the points that is connected to the touchpad. As you can see, in this GIONEE phone, we have so many issues here. If you check well, there's a point located at this particular position on this GIONEE. There's a dot located here. Immediately this GIONEE fell into water, it will got burned. Immediately it got burned, the touchpad will never work again. If you like, change the whole touchpad with this word, it no go work except say you do. If you check well for that particular position, you go see small line wey dey here, small line. You're gonna see small line here. This line, this little line now, you need to run the line back to this other part of this line. This one here is located to this IC here. If you can see this IC I'm showing you, it's located to this particular IC here. So what you need to do is to run your jumper with your connection wire or your running wire or your jumper wire, whichever name you call it, but mine is connection wire. You run from the beginning of this IC to that smallest remaining line there. You run it there. If you can use your leg to run just from here to this other place, better. Whichever one that works. Let's go. Let me show you how to run it. Let me show you how to run it. So we are still on it. We are still on it, and we will still be on it. So let me show you what to do. You pick up your soldering iron. Make sure you run lead to that IC. Make sure the IC does not pull off. So run little lead here. Then go over to this side. Make sure you scrub this point, because already I have finished scrubbing the line. Then I decided to show working about what I'm about doing, so that other engineers can grab from this particular one. So you make sure you scrub that little line there. Scrub it very well. Make sure it's not connected to earth. Make sure it's separated from earth. Make sure it's separated from earth. Then apply your lead, so that place will have connection. We have a better connection. So as you can see, I'm applying lead to it. The point is closer to your power flex clip. So when you apply lead, I have finished applying lead. So let me show you the next step. You pick up your connection wire, your running wire, which is the connection wire. I normally call it connection wire. So you pick up your running wire, then start your work. Let me show you what I'm doing, so you can understand the simple steps. So as you can see, here's my running wire. This is my running wire. This is my running wire here. I have my running wire at my hand. Maybe you can't feel it, but I feel you can see it. So let's go. Let me show you what you need to do. You send the running wire to that point I showed you, to the point I scrubbed. I hope I'm not. Alright, we're still struggling because it will give you tough time to apply lead at that point, because it's very tiny. It's very tiny. As you can see, I'm done soldering it. As you can see, I'm done soldering this one. Then watch out how I'm going to solder the next step. Watch out how I'm going to solder the next step. You turn your connection this way, bring it to that IC, bring it to the IC I showed you. Make sure the IC did not pull off. Oh. Make sure it did not pull up. It did not pull off. If not, well, then you will need another consultation. But for now, so just solder it gradually. So as you can see, I'm done doing it. So you can see, just watch and see what I did. From this point here, the small point I told you, from that small line to this IC here, that's the major connection. So if you do it exactly the way I did it, bro, now your work is going to be perfect and clean. As you can see, I'm done doing it. So I need to clean here off. Let me clean it off, and my job will be neat and clean. So you do a cleanup. If you watch it well, you see what I did. If you watch it well, you see what I did. Very clean and smooth. Do you see the work I did here? From this point to this point. So it's okay and nice. Just watch and see. Just watch and see what I did. You can watch it very closely and nice. You will see what I did well. So I've shown you the work. Let's jump over to testing pattern, testing aspect. Let's test. Still watch you to confirm if I change the screen or not. So let's go. Let's see how it goes. Let's go. Let's go. Still watch it. If you check it very well, you will still see that it's still that same touch that I test. That's the one I'm still using. The same crack. Okay, let's go and see. So if you watch, it's on in. Let's let the phone boot. The phone is on. I'm sure I'm done. Let's see the next action. If the work works or not. Can you see? Can you just see? 100%. 100% working. Please don't forget to share, comment, like, subscribe if you're a newcomer in my channel. Subscribe and subscribe, turn on your notification bell to get updates each time I post.